Hey everybody, I'm happy to report that the project has not gone down the sewer. But we have made some pretty good progress in the last couple weeks here. So looking into the bathroom from the back here again, I've got the corrugated metal mostly up on the walls here. All the water plumbing coming in, I've got the cold water on the bottom there, hot water on top coming up. Got put some valves in here for my shower. I'm just doing everything like exposed. That way if I ever need to work on it, I can. Got gas line hooked up here for my instant water heater. Pretty cool little unit here. It's just a direct vent to the top here. It's going to let some heat come out the top of that. That's why it's got that deflector. But the cool thing is it's really only going to run much when we have this fan going, because you'll be in the shower or you'll be cooking in the kitchen, so we'll probably have that fan going all the time. Also got the vent pipe here up through the roof from the tank, so that's kind of cool. As we walk into the camper, we have flooring now too. This is glue down vinyl plank flooring, so pretty happy with the appearance of that. We went with like a barnwood look to it, so that's cool. Got some paint up on some spots here. Not everything's done yet, but got cabinets put in above the sink cabinet it's in. Got the water roughed into this location. I just don't have it into the sink yet. I'm waiting to I'm going to install these drawers before I put the top on here. It's going to make that a whole lot easier to work on. And if we go back outside here, so this is the drain pipe for the sewage. This is the holder for it right here. I just did what a lot of other people I saw on YouTube did, is they bought a piece of PVC fence post, glued a cap on one end, and then what I did here is I just put a hinge. I did a solid brass hinge on the one side, and then just simply opens up and that tube goes right in there. It's kind of a tight fit, but it does work. You see I had to clearance some spaces too where the rivets have to come in and out here, but that worked pretty well too. For the countertop, we're just going a butcher block. It's just oiled with mineral oil. Got the sink cut out and everything already, so that's ready to go in. But we just wanted something super easy to use, so we can use it as a cutting board and everything, just not have to worry about it. So that was the theory there. The last thing I just did this morning was I put in this camera on the back of the unit here. So it's a Wi-Fi camera. I got it on eBay for like 70 bucks, and it just transmits a signal up to the cab onto either cell phone, iPad, whatever you've got. And what I did for power on that is I went in, let me go underneath here and show you. We've got these lights, let's see, this thing right here, that one goes out to those lights at the top there, the marker lights. So I just tapped into that circuit and ran that out. So whenever I have those lights on, it should work the camera now. So it gives you a really nice view of the back, and it doesn't stick up too far. I think I'm going to really like that backing into camping spots.